Welcome to Biology, the scientific study of life. Trophic efficiency and ecological pyramids. Let's scale up now from the reproduction efficiencies of individual consumers to the flow of energy through whole trophic levels. Trophic efficiency is the percentage of production transferred from one trophic level to the next. Trophic efficiencies must always be less than production efficiencies because they take into account not only the energy lost through respiration and contained in feces, but also the energy in organic material in a lower trophic level that is not consumed by the next trophic level. Trophic efficiencies usually range from 5% to 20% depending on the type of ecosystem. In the other word, 80% to 95% of the energy available to at one trophic level is not transferred to the next, and this loss is multiplied over the length of a food chain. For example, if 10% of energy is transferred from primary producers to primary consumers, and of that energy is transferred to secondary consumers, that only 1% of net primary production is available to secondary consumers, 10% of 10%. Pyramids of production. This loss of energy with each transfer in a food chain can be represented by a pyramid of net production in which the trophic levels are stacked in blocks, with the primary producer forming the foundation of a pyramid as noticed in this figure. The size of each block is proportional to the net production expressed in energy units of each trophic levels. Notice that. An idealized pyramid of net production. Notice the sunlight 1,000, 10,000, 1 million joule of sunlight. Notice primary producers 10,000 joule, primary consumers 1,000, secondary consumers 100 joule, tertiary consumers 10 joule. Back to the size of each block is proportional the net production expressed in energy units of each trophic level. Pyramid of biomass. One important ecological consequences of low trophic efficiencies can be represented in a biomass pyramid, in which each tier represents the standing crop, the total dry weight of all organisms. In one trophic level, must biomass pyramid narrow sharply from primary producers at the base or to top level carnivores at the apex, because energy transfers between trophic levels are so inefficient. Certain aquatic ecosystems, however, have inverted biomass pyramids. Primary consumers